Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently, in just a few steps. First, go to youtube.com. Now click on your profile in the top right corner. Then, click on YouTube Studio. Once you're here, click on Settings. Click on Channel. Then, go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down, click on Remove YouTube Content. Here, you will see two options. I want to hide my channel. I want to permanently delete my content. To permanently delete your channel, select the second option. Below, you will see two checkboxes. Tick both options. Click on the Delete My Content button. A pop-up will appear asking you to enter your email address. Copy the email shown. Paste it into the search bar. Now, click the Delete My Content button again. This will permanently delete your YouTube channel, and that's it. How to delete your YouTube channel permanently. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.